Do you think eating healthy is too expensive or just a myth? In today's video, we are tackling a big one. How you can eat clean and healthy without emptying your wallet. Many people believe eating clean is only for the rich, but I'm here to show you that anyone, absolutely anyone, can do it. By the end of this video, you will have the tips to shop smart, eat better, and save money. Now I want to debunk the myth. Some people feel, and it's a misconception, that healthy food is always expensive. I want to mention affordable staples like oats, beans, frozen veggies, and seasonal foods. And we can compare the long-term cost of junk food versus investing in your health. Check the description of this video for a free guide to make your living healthier. Here are tips to eat clean on a budget. 1. Meal prep like a pro. Planning meals reduces waste and saves money. 2. Buy in bulk if you can. Items like rice, lentils, and nuts are cheaper in bulk. 3. Seasonal shopping. Seasonal produce is more affordable and fresher. 4. Use coupons and sales. Smart shopping hacks to stretch your money. What is your favorite budget-friendly healthy meal? Share it in the comments. I would love to try your ideas. Remember cauliflower, that's one of my favorites. Don't forget to grab the guide because it's a game changer when it comes to your budgeting. Eating clean doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Small changes lead to big results over time in your nutrition. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. And don't forget to download your free guide in the description of this video. Hey, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look your very best, no matter your age. So, see you in the next video. All the best.